Hey guys, my name is Guinto from onlinepitch.com, and you're watching one of my review videos for the new product launches for online training and software products. Now stick around with me here because I'll be making a review about this new product launch called Triple Traffic. Stay tuned. Now in today's video, I'll be making a review and walkthrough of how the triple traffic works. Now, as a reminder, this new product launch will go live on November 11, and that's when you'll be able to get access to triple traffic windows when this goes live. Now I'm here inside of the members area of the triple traffic. Now, to put this briefly, Triple Traffic is a program that lets you add your affiliate link inside of this program, and your affiliate link will get added to 3 different kinds of traffic sources. Now, what you need to do when you pick up Triple Traffic is you can place any link of your choice, and it will be added on traffic from Dawud Islam's traffic sources, and you're basically gonna get free daily traffic from these different traffic sources. And so with this traffic sources that he's going to be providing for you is permanent, so meaning that once you have submitted your link, then you're gonna getting traffic every day. So you can pretty much put your link, get your traffic, and it's good for a lifetime. And so make sure that your link is an affiliate link so that you can benefit from earning commissions. So Dawud Islam will add your link to his 3 traffic sources, but you must act fast. This brand new triple traffic rotator is currently empty, meaning those that jump on at the start of the launch will have an average of 10 times more traffic during this first week than those who delay. And so I want to talk about the benefits of triple traffic. Now, this is by far the easiest program that I've ever seen, because all you have to do is once you pick up triple traffic, go ahead and log in, then place your affiliate link inside of this program, and then that's it. But you are guaranteed to get results when you act now and pick up triple traffic as soon as possible. So you'll be able to place on his rotator and add your link to his 3 different traffic sources. But you pretty much once you pick this up right away, it's best if you pick this up during this launch period, which is on the November 10th. So once you see this my review video, make sure that you click the link down below, get access to triple traffic, and once you've done that, you can go ahead and log in. It's gonna show you all the overviews and trainings on how to use this program. It's pretty much this is pretty much easy to use. I guarantee you that. And all you have to do is pretty much add your link, and then then you forget about this. And so you can use this for a lifetime, and available upgrades are available for this, but basically you really don't have to create page builders, no video making, no necessary extra work for you. Just log in, add your link, and then you're out and you're done. Then you start getting commissions. And so pretty much this is why the program is amazing, is because it's quick and easy. You get results for a lifetime, and all you have to do is act now. This is only $12.95, and imagine the commissions that you're getting from this massive traffic that Dawud Islam is offering to this product. Take advantage of this, because as you notice with the upcoming holidays, make sure that you are prepping your links for this current upcoming holidays, and then you can go ahead and add your link here and then take advantage of the traffic sources that you're going to be getting, because everyone is in buying zone mood. Basically means everyone is on the spending mood because of the holiday that's coming up. And so that's that for the triple traffic. Now I'm gonna be giving you a walkthrough really quick of the triple traffic inside of the members area. So as you can see here, welcome video for Dawud Islam, and also here is the overview of triple traffic. It's going to explain to you you know, what is the triple traffic all about and what he wants you to add, what specific niche or link that is preferred to be added into the program here. So this is the training. You might go ahead and pay attention to training because it's really important for you to learn what are the expectations of this the triple traffic program here. Submit your link over here. So as you can see here, this is where you watch the training, and he's going to tell you how to submit your link. Additional resources in this video over here as well. If you're interested in learning more about triple traffic resources information, so here are the free squeeze pages. So this is where you can get access to the resource here. And conclusion. So as you can see here, this is, you know, quick, easy, and not too long of a process for you to start using the triple traffic. Here are the available bonuses that you can get access to triple traffic. And don't forget, I also going to be offering you my free bonuses as well as my way of saying thanks so much for taking the time to watch my review video. So here are also the upgrades. So once you pick up triple traffic, you can get access to the upgrades over here. I will be providing more information of the upgrades of the triple traffic onto my bonus page once you click the link down below in this video, so you can go ahead and check it out. And here are the unadvertised bonuses from here that you can check. So that's pretty much it. So as you can see here, this is pretty quick and easy. All you have to do is pretty much just go through the overview of the triple traffic, just in case you're not just going straight to here and sending your link right away. There are gonna be you know, like a step-by-step rule on how to submit your link properly. And so that's pretty much it. So this is what the triple traffic looks like inside of the members area. Now I'm gonna be showing you my free bonuses here. Okay, so that's that. I'm gonna move this here really quick. Now I'm gonna show you my bonus page here. Now I've also put together a ton of custom bonuses for those of you who like to pick this up by my link, which is down below in the description of this video. Now if you click on the link, it's going to bring you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. And if you want to pick up triple traffic, this is going to go live on November 10th. That's when you'll be able to click on any of these dark green buttons here. That's going to go through to the sales page, which looks like this. Then right over here is where you can go ahead and pick this up. Now you'll need to pick up before the countdown timer runs out onto my bonus page here, because when the countdown timer runs out, then all of my bonuses will disappear, and that's obviously something that I don't want you to miss out on. Okay, now to claim these bonuses, they are 100% free of charge and instantly will deliver to you. And all you need to do first of all is click on that link down below in this video. You can go ahead and scroll down to check out all the bonuses here. And you can scroll down and then you can pretty much click on any of these dark green buttons here onto my bonus page. That's where you can go to the sales page, and that's where you can go ahead and pick this up. Now, if you have any questions about the bonuses, please feel free to follow me on my Facebook page. Send me a message right there, and I'm more than happy to answer any of your questions. Now, these bonuses I'm offering to you that I just mentioned to you earlier is completely free of charge, even if you just pick up the front end, which is at time of recording this video is only going to be one-time price of $12.95. And also you can upgrade your front end purchase for those of you who are interested in scaling up your online marketing needs, so you can get more access to the upgrades to help meet your needs for your online business. Now please consider checking out all the upgrades available in my bonus page down below in the description of this video. Please consider checking this out so you can have the benefit of increasing your chances for earning more money. Here are the available upgrades for you to check out down below on the link that I provided. You can go ahead and click on it, and you can scroll down and go through this part here where you can go ahead and check out the available upgrades, because as you can see here, the front end is only limited for one link. Okay, so only one link, and then if you want to add 5 more links to all the 3 rotators of Dawud Islam, then you're gonna have to upgrade for this over here. Okay, so don't forget the front end is only good for one link, and if you want to add more links, you have to upgrade your triple traffic product right over here. So you can get 5 more URLs to place on his rotators, and if you want 10 more links, then you're gonna have to upgrade over here. 10 super solo ads to all the members of 25 of own membership sites in the MMO niche. All right, so as you can see here, reseller rights for upgrades, sell it as your own product. You can keep the commissions across the entire funnel. This is the done for you weekly campaigns for upgrade number 4, and number 5 is to become a beta tester with the Elite Academy. Okay, so that's that for the upgrades. And so that brings me to the end of this video. Now I want to thank you so much for watching my triple traffic review. Now I hope you enjoy my review video, and make sure that you click the link below to purchase triple traffic at a discounted price. And also don't forget to pick up my free bonuses that you can check out down below in the description of this video. Now I'll see you guys on to my next video, and thanks again for watching my review video. Now make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on to my next video.